In front of me is a THL T7, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to start off, we will need to open up the settings app, and as you can see, it can be either found here on the home screen, somewhere in the apps, or you can just pull down the notification panel, and it's always going to be indicated by the gear icon as you just seen. And from here, we're going to go down all the way to the bottom to About Phone and find the build number. So it's right here, and start tapping on it about 7 times. Once you start tapping on it a couple times, you will get basically a countdown of how many times you have left to enable it. So as you can see, 4, 3, 2, 1, you are now a developer. So now it's enabled. And once you go back, you will see that now there is a new option, developer options. And once you tap on it, you can choose some settings that you didn't have access to before, and choose whatever you like at your willing. If you're a normal user, probably some of the more helpful options that aren't really, don't have much to do with developer would be the animations. If I can find it right here, animation duration scale, transition animation scale, and window animation scale. Basically, once you change it, tap on it, you can choose the speed. Now half or off will be basically all the animations will be quicker, and what it does is increases the speed of which windows fade in or animate into or out of the screen. So you can just choose that and change to whatever speed you like. So that is basically how you enable the developer options, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.